Hold on tight, SUV lovers, because what I'm about to show you about the 2025 LDV D90 is going to completely redefine what you expect from a family-friendly adventure machine. Get ready to have your socks knocked off. Okay, let's dive right into the 2025 LDV D90. First impressions are huge. It's bolder, sleeker, and honestly, a whole lot more aggressive looking than the previous model. LDV has clearly listened to the feedback and ramped up the design. Think sharper lines, a more imposing grille, and some seriously stylish LED lighting. But it's not just about looks, is it? Under the hood, rumors are swirling about a significantly upgraded engine, potentially a hybrid option finally making its way into the D90 lineup. This could be a game changer for fuel economy and overall performance, making it a much more competitive option in the market. Inside, expect a complete overhaul. We're talking a massive infotainment screen, premium materials, and all the tech you could possibly want. Think wireless charging, advanced driver assistance systems, and maybe even a head-up display. The aim is to make the D90 feel less like a practical SUV and more like a luxury experience, at a big change that definitely puts it in competition with the best cars of its category. But wait, there's more. Beyond the engine and interior upgrades, LDV seems to have focused heavily on improving the D90's off-road capabilities. Spy shots have shown what appear to be upgraded suspension components and a more robust four-wheel drive system. This could mean the 2025 D90 is not just a pretty face, but also a seriously capable machine when the pavement ends. Imagine tackling those challenging trails with confidence, knowing your SUV can handle anything you throw at it. Of course, safety is a top priority. Expect a suite of advanced safety features including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. These systems will not only keep you and your family safe, but also make driving easier and more enjoyable. LDV is clearly pulling out all the stops to make the 2025 D90 a complete package, appealing to both families and adventure seekers alike. So what does all this mean for you? The 2025 LDV D90 is shaping up to be a major contender in the SUV market. With its bold new design, upgraded engine options, luxurious interior, and improved off-road capabilities, it's a vehicle that can handle anything life throws at it. But as always with new releases, there are many aspects we will be talking about further. Is it worth the hype? What price will it have? We will have to wait for official specs to give our final verdict. But so far, the 2025 LDV D90 definitely has my attention. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this first look at the 2025 LDV D90, make sure to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new model. Don't forget to subscribe for more car news and reviews. Share this video with anyone you think might be interested.